Welcome to our guide on installing tlauncher on your Mac. Today, we'll explore why tlauncher is a great choice for Minecraft users. Before we dive into the installation, let's check the system requirements. Make sure your Mac meets these specifications for a smooth experience. Now, head over to the official tlauncher website. This is where you'll download the installer. Click on the download button to get the tlauncher installer for your Mac. It's a quick process. Once the download is complete, it's crucial to verify the file for safety. Always ensure you're downloading from the official source. Now we can start the installation process. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be set in no time. After installation, let's launch tlauncher for the first time and configure some initial settings to optimize your experience. If you have existing Minecraft profiles, importing them into tlauncher is simple. Let's go through those steps. Tlauncher offers a plethora of features and customizations. Let's explore what you can do to enhance your gameplay. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Here are some common problems and how to troubleshoot them effectively.